pretty public about Mukhota being your brand, right? And you've
Yeah.
transitioned from dropshipping to this, wherein in dropshipping we don't share our store names because we feel people are going to copy us, and also because we're not very proud about what we're doing, because that's what anyone can do. But transitioning into Mukhota, I see you promote your stuff on WhatsApp. You're pretty active on social media, Instagram, everywhere. Don't you feel you're going to be copied, or someone's going to figure things out and copy you? Because a lot of people have that question. So how do you deal with that on the level of your mindset?
I don't think it's very easy to copy, my things. Or even if the people copy, let them copy. I mean, I don't fear that because it is all about, designing. And once the people trust, so people have already, copied my designs. What they
Uh,
do is there was this girl,
uh-huh,
I don't remember the brand name, and she took my pictures and she had posted on her Instagram channel. And
uh-huh.
then she started messaging me, you have some copied designs, and rather she was copying my designs. And then she blocked me. So she basically did a
Hmm,
fight with me and then blocked
hmm,
me. So
hmm,
people are going to, now, even if now let's say
hmm,
some of the people doing e-commerce know me
hmm, hmm,
and
hmm,
then they copy, or some
hmm,
people, not knowing me and still copying me. In
hmm,
India,
hmm.
copying has to be there. So I mean,
Correct.
I don't fear it only. They
Hmm.
can't, read my brains that what is my next
Exactly.
design.
Exactly.
Yeah, and what next design am I going to launch? My launch would already be done, and then they will copy, right?
Yes.
They won't be able
Yes.
to copy what is in my brain.
That's beautiful, and that's so
I'll
good.
be happy that it is inspiring them. My brand is
Yes.
inspiring them to copy.
And they're actually creating more space for you, because they might copy stuff for you, they might spend money, but in the end, one day or the other, people will find you. People looking for those products, they will find you. And when they find you,
Yeah,
they're going to find originality in your brand, and 100% they're going to
exactly.
become your customers. And the first mover always has an advantage. So maybe they would be able to take away 1 or 2% of your sales, but 98% of your sales are going to be with you. So
Yeah,
that's the right mindset. And this also, there's one thing, there are a lot of things that they cannot copy. These people could never go to the events that you've attended. These people haven't
yeah,
spent ton of money in coaching and training like you've done. These people have not taken advice from tens of people or hundreds of people out there. These people these people did not get to know about Oriflame when they were in class ninth. These people did not fail at businesses.
yeah,
These people did not go broke. These people did not have sleepless nights and struggles. This is something that people cannot copy, and this is what makes you unique. This is what makes your business unique. This is what makes your brand and, of course, Mukhota unique. And uniqueness is something that cannot be copied. So 100%, pretty much spot on with on the level of your mindset as well. So pretty commendable,
yeah.
pretty good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.